So in Anatomy and Physiology 2, we're basically starting up where we left off in Anatomy and Physiology 1. So we ended with the nervous system, the autonomic nervous system, and now we pick up with the endocrine system. But we have to remember things about the nervous system in order to understand what's going on with the endocrine system. So if you're unsure, rusty, or don't remember, especially things about the autonomic nervous system, I would definitely go back and review that. So this video is going to be kind of a review of the nervous system, at least on how it basically works. Nervous system. Okay. So in the nervous system, we know that the nervous system is a communication structure that allows us to be able to pick up stimuli around us in our environment and that kind of thing, and then respond to it. So if we have a stimulus, stimulus, okay? So we have a stimulus, whatever that is, something you see, smell, touch, whatever. And that stimulus is going to be picked up by some kind of receptor. So receptor. And it's going to send, if it's strong enough, it's going to send that information about that stimulus down a sensory pathway. And again, we call that an afferent pathway, right? So this is the input. So input is happening there. That is going to go to an integrator. And the integrator is going to be in the nervous system, the central nervous system. So brain, spinal cord. Okay? It's going to interpret that information and then respond to it. So it's going to send an output. And that is going to go to some kind of effector, a gland, a muscle, whatever it is. And that will create some kind of action or response. Okay, so the nervous system, I'll write this out. The nervous system is a coordinating or integrating system. That allows for communication. The endocrine system works the same way. Okay, so the endocrine system will also have integrators. Okay, we'll also have integrators. So at this point, you will still have a stimulus that the body is going to respond to. It's still going to send that information somewhere within some kind of integrator. So in the central nervous system, that integrator is going to be brain spinal cord. In the endocrine system, it's going to be glands. Okay, but it's still the same thing. It's still going to integrate some kind of stimulus and then send a response. The response is going to be in the form of a chemical called a hormone instead of an impulse, which is what the nervous system would send. So the next video, I'm going to compare and contrast the nervous system and the endocrine system. So we're going to continue to compare the two because the nervous system is something you should know about. And so if we compare it to the nervous system, you can better understand what's happening with the endocrine system.